For tattoo enthusiasts, simple designs can be tattooed. I've decided to record a series of online tattoo courses. Step 1. Prepare a piece of tattoo transfer paper. Discard the middle layer or keep it for tracing. You need a well-functioning dot matrix printer that feeds automatically. These dot matrix printers can be bought second-hand online at a reasonable price and are very convenient. The line drawings that are printed can be used directly for transfer. For hygiene and safety, squeeze the transfer gel onto a spatula first. Develop good habits as a foundation for tattooing on real skin in the future. Then apply it to practice skin. Put on gloves and apply it by hand. Make sure to apply it evenly. Uneven application will result in a blurry transfer design. Cut out the design you've printed and lay it flat onto the practice skin. Cover it with a layer of facial tissue. Then cover it with another layer of practice skin. Press down with your hand. Remove each layer sequentially. Dry it with a hairdryer for 3 to 5 minutes. Spray on clean blue algae, a type of cleaning solution. Clean it thoroughly with facial tissue. The remaining imprint won't rub off, making it easier to follow the lines. This is just one transfer method. I've prepared 7 important transfer methods in total. This is a must-know for professional tattoo artists. Direct message me for the transfer methods. Prepare a spatula. Coat the spatula with some Vaseline. Spread some Vaseline on a tablecloth. Lay the spatula flat on the tablecloth. Doing so provides more stability than simply placing a plastic cup on the tablecloth. The spatula won't move because it sticks to the Vaseline. When purchasing plastic cups, it's better to buy ones with a base. Stick some Vaseline under the ink cup holder, then place it onto the spatula. This way, the ink cup won't tip over easily. Please note, beginners don't need to prepare all the ink in advance. Ink that sits too long will dry and clog the needle. Just prepare a cup of black ink. Set the voltage to 8 volts. Set the needle protrusion to 2 millimeters. Wrap it with a slip-resistant band. Start the machine to draw ink. Don't draw too much ink. Insert the needle smoothly. Open the needle tip. The opening of the needle tip should align with the direction of the line being tattooed. Maintain a consistent speed. Prepare a round 5 needle for the fine lines. Switch to a finer needle for more densely packed areas. This allows for more precise detailing. Key point: the smaller the needle, the less resistance, the more likely it is to damage the skin. Therefore, work a bit faster to avoid causing any skin growths.